Advocates took their voices to the state capitol. NBC Local 33's Anam Siddiqui is live in the studio with us with what's happening here. Hey, Anam.
Hey Jacob, I spoke with advocates on both sides of the issue, each very passionate about the case, but dozens of pro-choice advocates came to the Capitol this afternoon crying out against this potential ruling.
Local pro-choice advocates chant at the steps of the Louisiana Capitol.
Hands off our bodies!
Their message is clear. They are all in favor of Roe versus Wade.
Black and brown women are going to be disproportionately affected by this decision if it were to happen.
A leaked draft opinion suggests the U.S. Supreme Court could be poised to overturn the federal law allowing abortions. It's an unprecedented leak, and while there is no final word on the case, advocates on both sides wait for what's next.
Quite frankly, it's horrific to think that the right to abortion and Roe versus Wade will be completely overturned.
Well, my initial reaction was a little bit of surprise, shock, maybe confusion, excitement.
Louisiana Right to Life Director Ben Clapper says they are excited by the draft and are waiting to celebrate the official overturn.
If this is the case, we want to make sure that we're taking a step towards protecting every human life and giving every human life a chance.
If Roe v. Wade is overturned, this will impact Louisiana immediately. Louisiana is one of more than a dozen states with trigger laws. This means that if Roe is overturned, Louisiana law would automatically kick in, banning abortion.
And it would also overturn the right to abortion in all of our neighboring states. And it would the result would be that the closest clinic will be in Illinois.
Pro-choice advocates say the issue is bigger than just banning abortions.
Louisiana is a poor state, but we can be a very rich state if we center our women and we center our children. But that does not include controlling their bodies.
The final ruling of the case is expected in June. Meanwhile, Chief Justice John Roberts is calling the leak an egregious breach and has launched an investigation. For your local election headquarters, I'm Anam Siddiqui.
All right, thank you.